Welcome back to the Sean O'Connell YouTube channel. Have you guys ever wanted to take rolling videos or pictures of your car, your truck, your motorcycle, you know, whatever you have, right? Whatever you have, you know, that you, maybe a jet ski, something that you move and you want to get a video or a picture of it while it's doing it, but maybe your friends are busy, or maybe your friends are like some of my friends and they suck with cameras. The ones that are good, they know, but some of my friends are no good with cameras. And sometimes you want to get some roller shots, you know, and just go out, make a quick video, get some rollers, and come back and edit it, or, you know, look at the photos. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you guys how to capture roller videos without having another person to help you out with the videos, and without, you know, like using a drone or something like that, because I don't have a drone, and if I had one I probably wouldn't know how to fly it, to be honest. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how to do that. This thing right here, this is the GoPro Max. This is a 360-degree camera. It has a camera on the front, and it also has a camera on the back of the camera. And basically what this allows you to do is put the camera out, you know, pretty far from you, and it records 360 degrees, and it's gonna disappear the selfie stick or the rod or whatever you want to call this thing right here, as long as the selfie stick isn't thicker than the GoPro mount itself. All right, so you may see this portion of it in the video. I have some crafty things that I'm crafting up. I'm gonna make about a 10-foot long pole and be able to go out really far, mount it on my ATV, and then rig up a mount for the truck, so I can get roller videos while I'm just out enjoying time, you know. Sometimes when I go out riding, I don't like to record because I like to just go out and ride and have fun. And basically what this is going to allow me to do is to, one, record, and two, have fun and not stress out about getting the shot or getting the angle, because this thing is going to record 360 degrees, and you use the app on your phone to focus on whatever frame you want to, and it stitches it all together. So it looks pretty cool. I have never used this. I've done a little bit of research on it. I bought this thing yesterday, and let's go out and let's try to get some rollers of the truck today. It's not washed. As you see, it is a little bit rainy out here today. Hopefully that doesn't affect the lens. I've got these lens covers on here right now because this is different than the other GoPros, so these are just on here for protection. But hopefully we go out and we can get some good shots with this thing. If it's a failure, I'll show you guys the videos as well, and if it looks awesome, the video is going to be in there, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I just tried it out with the 22-inch GoPro stick that I bought today, and the stick isn't long enough if you want to get rollers or something big like this. It would work for some other things, but I'll just show you guys what the video looks like. Alright, you guys saw the video. Wasn't able to get the camera out far enough, so it kind of has this like rounded effect, no matter how you twist it around. So I'll show you guys what I'm going to do to remedy this issue. Alright guys, here's what I think may fix the issue. You have to keep this stick as straight as possible. This pipe might be too thick, but I went ahead and got some PVC pipe from Lowe's. It's got to be 5 foot because I'm 5'5", so it's got to be about 5 foot tall is what this is, if I had to guess. Shove some Taco Bell napkins in there, and this little joint on here. I don't know what this is called. I'm not a plumber, but you have to keep, when you use this camera, you mount it up and down. It's got to be straight up and down for it to work. So I'm gonna try to extend this out the window, try to hold it. It's kind of like starts to get heavy just because when it's out there with all that leverage, but let's give it a try. guys, I took a bunch of different shots. Maybe it won't replace like having somebody take rollers for you. It's pretty cool to play with the features. I have an 8-foot stick coming. So if you looked on the video, you could see like a little bit of the Taco Bell napkin in the video, because it like bows out and it's not skinny enough. So basically what you want to do is you want to get a pole that's skinny enough to where like the base of the camera is bigger than the pole itself, and then you can get the pole with like the invisible effect. So I mean, it's my first time out playing with the camera. I did some cool walk arounds, some cool drive arounds, and like if you don't want to buy a drone or something like that, this seems like a pretty cool option. As far as editing, like you could take one shot or like one video and you could edit it so many different ways, because you could zoom in and out on the app, and it's 360 degrees, so you could get different shots from just one video. You could get different angles basically, because it's using the two cameras. So this is pretty cool. I like it. I think it's money well spent, and I'm gonna be doing some research and getting a little bit better with it. I have a bunch of accessories coming. Like I said, I just picked this thing up, so I went on Amazon. I bought a whole bunch of accessories that I'm gonna be trying out, so I can get some cool footage of the truck and of the side-by-side. Really, the real test for me is gonna be if I could hook that thing up to the side-by-side and set it up from the rear and basically get it to take video like I have somebody following me for the entire ride while I go mudding. That's the goal. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like that, because I'm going to be trying this thing out and doing a bunch of cool stuff. I've got other GoPros as well. Like I said, I just bought this camera, so I don't have a bunch of accessories for it yet, but I have probably $200 worth of accessories coming from Amazon and some different places that'll be here Monday and Tuesday. So I'll be trying those things out. Make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see me strap this camera to the back of my 9-second Fox body to see if it could get like a follow video of me gapping a Hellcat. I'm gonna put it on my side-by-side, and I also want to do more rollers with the truck. I have kind of an idea where I want to rig up a skinnier piece of PVC pipe that goes up to maybe about 10-15 feet, or I might even have somebody weld me up something so I can just drop it onto where my hitch hooks to the truck. We'll see. I got some big plans coming. I'm going to be testing this camera out. It seems like a really cool camera. It seems like it's going to be really fun to play with. So make sure you guys like and subscribe.